guys, what's up? So welcome to my YouTube channel. Ashita Agarwal here. Hope this quarantine is stealing you well and you are staying at home and you are safe and washing your hands.
This is, I think, lockdown 1,299 or something to the infinity day.
It's something interesting and it was a request and this has been requested so many times from me. It's not only about girls, it's also about guys. So ये एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जो आई गेस गाइस को भी होती है, गर्ल्स को भी होती है, दैट इज डार्क सर्कल्स. How to reduce dark circles. So after experimenting on myself, as you know, I'm a person who gets a lot of dark circles. This is the highly requested video. So many of you have asked me about your skincare routine. The topic that I'm gonna discuss today is dark circles, and believe me, I have collected so many information and like a PhD on skincare, and after experimenting on myself I got some great result by using those methods. So I'm gonna share the personal things that worked out for my dark circles. And as you guys know, I have a dark circle problem and it comes and goes, and treatment helps it to reduce. So I want to just go ahead and break a biggest myth that is going on this world. So biggest myth that I want to break is, guys, there is no such under eye cream that will heal or brighten up your under eye dark circles, or no, it cannot. I have tried like 4 to 5 different kind of good brands to small brands, herbal, organic, and I didn't see anything changes on my dark circle. And I'll say that it is a myth that yes, some of the products, some of the under eye cream are good. They have formulated in a good chemical, so they can remove the they can reduce the baggy eyes or the fine lines. Fine lines start to appear after a certain age on women's, on men's too, but on women's it is after 24 to 25 years the fine line starts to appear. So obviously girls need to take care of a lot of things, but this too also. So guys, as I was talking about under eye creams, yes, under eye creams you can buy for your satisfaction. If you feel like that it is working for you, that is very good. If you buy some, so there are many products, brands that produce under eye creams, like I have tried few, but it didn't work for me at all. And personally, I am the person who gets dark circles very easily. No better person than me to describe an under eye or baggy eye situation. So home remedies are the best. Only the first thing that everyone will say, and it is kind of boring because everyone is there saying be happy from inside, keep your mind away from negative things and toxic people. But that is the fact. Your under eye color, dark circle is completely related to your brain. Your inner health is very important to keep your mind safe, away from every negative thing. Secondly, you have to take a proper sleep. Obviously, proper sleep, beauty sleep, it is old is gold saying that beauty sleep is important. Why beauty sleep is important? Because dark circles come eventually appears, but it doesn't go easily. And I can tell you guys, I have big dark circles and it doesn't go easily at all. And even if you try a lot of skincare on a daily basis, it won't go completely. Yes, it won't go completely, and depression, unhealthy food or unhealthy environment can cause dark circles. Before curing anything, you have to go to the roots, why it started. So dark circles can be heredity because of your genes, like because of your family or any grandparents might have. So in that case, it's very difficult to remove because of heredity. Secondly, because of lack of sleep or proper food. Third, fruits and vegetables work heavenly for dark circles. Yes, fruits and these things have a huge amount of vitamin, protein in it, so baggy eyes. Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you up with tips, because I know people will think, okay, she's not giving anything new, this is already we know, but you never follow it, guys. You already know, but we never follow the things we already know. So I have examined theoretically, and I used to be like you guys, and I'm still suffering from that even if I miss one night's sleep and the next day I wake up with a huge black eye. So yes, I have hidden it under the concealer and makeup, but I don't want to use it. I'm frankly telling you that I want one day to stop using concealer, because even though I'm into that profession, then too I'm saying it. I'll explain you what is dark circle. So you have to understand what is dark circle. Dark circle is basically a blood clot in the eye area. What happens when you pressurize your brain or stress yourself, you stress your eyes like this, or you watch something very rigorously or think something and you're not happy, or you're not eating properly, then the blood start clotting over your eye area, and that blood creates that blood circulation stops in that area. So the blood clot creates the darkness under your eye, and that blood starts to get thinner and the color starts getting darker. So that's what it creates, a dark circle, and then starts to create a patchy line over here, and it will also give you a patchy or baggy eyes, like you will feel heavy eye on under eye area, because the blood circulation is not healthy. Your eyes are not breathing because of all the clotting that has stopped the circulation. Eye skin layer, because this is the most sensitive part of your entire body. It is the thinnest, बहुत पतली होती है ये layer आपकी. So इसलिए it cannot cure itself. It takes a lot of time to go back to the normal. Now with the cure, practical, theoretical is done. Now I'll start what we can do to stop it. So the first thing is green tea. As I was coming back to my point, green tea, what does green tea do? Green tea has important ingredients that will cool down the pressurized eye area that the blood has clotted and become dark, and that will relax your stressed eye, and it will start reducing. Eventually it will give you a healthier under eye. I won't say it will go 100%, but I have seen an immediate cure is to reduce the darkness in under eye is green tea bag. I'll show you. So yeah, it doesn't look pretty because it has been kept for longer hours to shoot. I had a green tea in the morning. As you know, I'm a green tea lover. I use the Lipton green, and this is a used tea bag that I have already had sipped tea. So what you have to do is, after completing your tea, you will just take the thing out and let it cool down, and you will just take this directly, the tea bag directly, and keep on your eye, and you will just keep it like that, and you will do it like that. Keep it good like this for 30 seconds, then 30 seconds on the other eye, then downside 30 seconds, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, like that on both the eyes. And if you have let the wet area of tea ingredient, the last one is very strong, the chai patti ki जो liquid होता है, जो last वाला, that is the purest. You have to just apply that, not the chai patti directly, not the tea leaves directly, but use the tea bag. So just apply this, or and sleep with this overnight, or it is very harmless. It doesn't affect your eyes. Yes, you cannot pour it like that, but it doesn't affect your eyes. First of all, you can sleep with this, leave the water, like it will dry out within 2 minutes, the wet one. You can sleep with this ingredient on your eye, or if you're immediate, you will see the changes within 2 to 3 days. Yes, it works effectively, and whenever I'm running on no sleep nights that I'm going through right now. Massages, eye massages are very effective, you guys. You can maintain a skincare routine daily, night, and this goes to guys also, and these tips are for guys also. This is not one-sided, it is a unisex skincare, because dark circle can happen to guys and girls both. you have any under eye cream, use it. If it is doctor recommended, you should use it. But if you are not using and if you want to get one, I can tell you guys, there are some Organic Harvest have herbal organic eye under eye creams. Then there are many products, brands. Don't go for biotic one. I'm using one under eye cream and it is the worst under eye cream that I have ever come across. I'll show it to you guys. I just hate it. It is so bad that it is so harsh on your eye कि if इतना सा भी इंच आँख के अंदर गया, your eyes will burn up. And dude, you're selling under eye cream. It's not contain a chemical when it is written 100% organic. It is so harsh on your eye that my eye started watering. It was complete red after using it, and I will show you that worst cream ever. Go, there are many eye patches. Many brands are coming up with the eye patches. You can do something before you sleep, because it's a secret to your beautiful skin that whatever you apply at night and sleep on with that skincare affects your skin in a good way, and it pumps up your skin overnight, and it works best at the night, whether it's under eye cream, any lip mask, face mask. So try to do a night routine using Jade Roller. I hope it you guys. So I bought this Jade Roller from Amazon. Take the small part, just roll it on. So Jade Roller helps a lot to reduce the dark circles, and I have personally saw that, and it's definitely gonna reduce your fine lines, wrinkles. Skincare routine, what I do, I just apply a face mask and then I take a Jade Roller and just roll it on all over my face as per required. I will show you how to use it in my any next video. If you want to guys, you can comment down below. So just take this and you have to roll it. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 on the both eye. 1. It is very easy to use, and there are different brands. You can go for luxury ones or you can go for medium range one, and it's a massager for your that clotted or stressed skin that I already told you about guys. The theoretical part कि जब कोई भी stressful area है वो उसे cool down करेगा. This movement will help you relax the skin under eye that is puffy or wrinkled. So this will reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Best way to use it, there are two best ways to use the Jade Roller. First, you can do on the night skin routine that you can apply the under eye cream or any cream all over your face, then roll it on. Helps you to lift up your face and reduce the fine lines, and also it will cure any dark spots you have on your face. Yes, it helps. It literally helps. I have tried it for months and then I'm reviewing it. And the second best way to use it is take a bowl, fill it with ice, and I have the Jade Roller in it, and after 5 to 10 minutes take it out and just roll it. So your is again, as I showed you, that will fill the half bowl. I'll take a half bowl and fill it with a few ice and a cold water in it. What I did is fill this with ice and cold water and took a spoon, normal spoon, and I took my Jade Roller. So this is now chilling period of this both the products. So I'm just chilling it. Ice works miracle for. Then we'll take a spoon. Any spoon will go that is little bit round like this. So I took a 1 spoon and like 10 to 15 minutes, or leave it like that for more than 15 minutes, and 15 minutes is enough. Then I'll take, you can do it. It's very chill right now. Yes, burning hot these days. It's summers you guys, and this works heavens. Important to know the basic root of any problem. So as I said you, everything is related to the root. This will melt down your skin, and you have to just press it like this. You have to close your eye for 1 minute and put it like this. I'm just showing you guys how to use it. You can carefully put it like this. Press it gently under your eye and keep it for 30 to on both the eye, under eye. So this will relax down your under eye that is stressed, that is having wrinkles. Now I'll tell you how to massage it. Patting very gently is another form of reducing dark circles. So what you have to do is, if you apply any under eye cream or any cream, just take your middle or any small finger, it's not a slang, any middle finger, or like this. If you take the middle finger like this, if you have the cream over your eye, just pat it like this. So patting is very important. Very gently, don't rush your hands or very harshly, because it will damage your skin again. It can go to dry or rough. So very gently pat it, and every time you apply, just gently pat it, so it will help the cream or any ingredient to melt down smoothly, and it will avoid the fine lines. It will reduce the fine lines. Now the massaging tip, what you have to do is just take your hand and slowly massage your complete eye area with patting, again patting, and just keep your two finger like this and massage like this. So this will reduce any pressure that you're getting under eye, and it will reduce the clotting area, and it will start melting down and reduce the darkness under eye. Problem that is by your family or passed to you by the family or something like that, consult your dermat, but you can also follow these. You can try with this to reduce it. You will find in my every skincare routine is apply sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen लोग को लगता है कि dark circle hai, it is not because of sun, but it is not like that. I am a specs person, glasses, so whenever I go out, I use sunscreen all over my face, including my eye, and before leaving you have to apply sunscreen before 15 to 20 minutes, because it will not absorb in your skin. It won't work. So sunscreen is very important. Sunscreen will help your skin problems go away. I am telling you guys, I used to be like you guys कि यार घर पे रहने से थोड़ी ना कुछ होता है, घर पे तो सन थोड़ी ना आ रहा है कि आप घर पे हो तो आप tan हो जाओगे. But I am telling you, I have burnt myself staying at home without using sunscreen, and after using sunscreen for a year, I saw 1,000 times better skin that I am present at. So I suggest sunscreen is very important, and especially guys, because लड़कियां तो use करती हैं sunscreen, but I have seen guys are like, अरे we are very strong, we don't need sunscreen. But it's not like that, guys. If you care about your skin, you must have to use a sunscreen. So that is another tip. Sunscreen reduces your dark circles too. And use goggles. When you are going out, use sunglasses. It is very important. It will block the area to burn up. So you also get dark circles, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा छुपी हुई बात थी. I guess it's a secret, and no one ever have thought कि sunburn से भी dark circles होते हैं. Yes, sunburn से भी dark circle होते हैं, because your eyes are open when you have a scarf or muffler, anything on, but still your eyes are open, so it can burn your eyes. That is another point. And one more tip, that drink a lot of water. So people come with so many people are there जिसकी skin बहुत normal है, who are very fair but still suffering with very dark circles, huge circles, because they don't drink a lot of water. Your body needs a certain amount of water. If you're not taking that much, then it will start showing up first in your skin, then it will give you entire big problems in internal health in your body. So water is very important. How you will think, yaar, फिर पूरे दिन we have to pee. I know everyone have to pee if you drink a lot of water, but guys, believe me, water is very important, and to keep a good healthy skin and healthy under eye especially, you need to intake a lot amount of water. So I have shown in my previous video also, and I will show it again. This is my copper bottle color, but overused. So this is my copper bottle. It is very good for your health and your stomach. So I fill this up twice or thrice a day. I also have a huge jug of copper that I fill 2 to 3 times a day, and I plan to complete this both like in interval. So I drink a lot of water, and especially in summers your body needs a lot of water. The creams are there to remove your dark circles, but good amount of sleep, good fruit intakes, and good health and inner peace and a lot of water can definitely reduce dark circle. Yes, I know मैंने एक सेंटेंस में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोल दी, like it's a huge task to keep your dark circles away, because I am the one who is suffering from dark circle and I have a huge one. You don't want a permanent dark circle, so you have to follow this certain tips. Apart from this, there are many things that you do for your face. You can also apply on your eye area, but not everything. Like turmeric is very good. Turmeric is healthy. You can apply with aloe vera gel or anything that will aloe vera gel right over here. You can apply any, take your favorite aloe vera gel, mix some haldi or turmeric, a pinch of it, and massage your face very gently with it by bit, slowly but gradually. It will reduce the dark circle. So these are my few tips that I will recommend you guys to go through and try. One more question that is unanswered by many. You have seen many videos, so you have seen many dark circle or skincare routine tutorials or videos in YouTube, but no one answered that what happens when your under eye is dry. So this area is the thinnest, as I covered the part in my theoretical section. If you have a very dry, or if you don't have regular dry but suddenly it is dry, that happened to me also once when I overdid. I used the wrong ingredient and it started peeling off. Yes, it was very rough and I couldn't put any makeup. I started using this Borolin or BoroPlus is the best. Okay, so these are my hacks, guys. Please, it worked for me, but if you think this will not work for you, don't apply it. Please ask your dermat before it. I'm not suggesting you any medicine or any chemical to put on. This is Borolin BoroPlus. Secondly, keep it hydrated. So dry under skin का सबसे basic problem है lack of water in your body, जिसके वजह से ड्राई अंडर आई हो सकता है. सो स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, डोंट वेट इट टू ड्राई आउट. स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर अ लॉट ऑफ. सेकेंडली अप्लाई, कीप इट, जब ऐसा ड्राई होने लग जाए तो बहुत कीप इट हाइड्रेटेड. पुट सम क्रीम in few intervals, pat it slowly and leave it. Don't wash your face with harsh soaps or anything, don't, because it will dry up more. Keep hydrated, keep smiling, and obviously happiness and smiling will keep your under eye dark circles go away. So I've covered everything, I guess. So here we come to an end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this review was helpful for you guys. I'll come again with something very important and new, and if you want something special, then comment down below. I'll come with that review. And I hope you guys are staying at home and being safe. Love you all guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'll see you in the next video, and love you guys so much. Bye until the next. Bye bye. Tip number XYZ.